Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, traders. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Overtime Traders here. All right, I'm back with another video for you guys. All right, so I got the sauce. All right, I'm just gonna go over some trades that I took this past week and what I'm looking at this week coming up. All right, today is March the 14th. All right, so I'll be dropping this video. All right, and you guys can see what I'm looking at coming up and what I did this past week. All right, so guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I am on Instagram. You can hit me up on TikTok, all right, or Telegram. Telegram is a free chat group, and you can join for free. All right, I do send out some signals, all right, if you want. All right, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you and showing you my ideas, all right, and what I'm doing basically, all right. But I'm not a financial advisor, so do keep in mind trading do involves risk, all right. Using proper risk management is key to trading, all right. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a message in the comment section, or you can email me, message me, DM me, and I'll get right back at you. All right, so again, take a look what I did this past week. All right, but before I do that, guys, I'm just gonna see what's coming up for this week. All right, so because I do both technical and fundamentals, right? So let's see, Sunday tonight. All right, we got I just look for the high impact, all right, which is the red folders. So Aussie 715, the government low speaks. All right, let's see, Monday, it's nothing. Monday is usually a quiet day. Tuesday, you got U.S. news coming out, core retail sales, all right, 8:30 in the morning. So I'll keep an eye out on that, see what it does for the U.S. peers. All right. On Wednesday, let's see, Canadian. All right. So we got some news coming up for Canada. All right. I am gonna keep my eyes out. Shouldn't be a lot, but let's see what happens. All right, so moving on, we do have some more news coming out from the US. All right, economics projections. All right, we do have that federal funds rate. We got that coming out. All right, and that's on Wednesday. All right, so that's in the morning. And then New Zealand, Aussie, right, and unemployment changes. All right, see what happens with that. On Thursday morning our time, we do have some news coming from the UK. All right, so I'll keep an eye on that for sure. All right, Friday we're back to quiet. Usually Mondays and Fridays I don't really do much, but I do like to see what's going on. All right, so all in all, we do have some news coming out, guys. All right, so I will be keeping my eyes open. All right, so let's get to the chart, see what I did this past week. All right, okay, so on GU, guys, I did pull the trigger. All right, so right here. All right, so I marked off my zones. All right, and let's see, so right here, all right, so I did get into a buy around here. All right, this little push up. All right, I did my little push up. All right, got in here and got in right here. All right, So I didn't ride it all the way because it had filled what we call my imbalance right here, so I didn't go. So I took about let's see, I took about 80, 85 pips, 88 pips around there. All right, so I did that on UGU this past week. All right, I should have gotten in for a sell. All right, because I know it's I did mark off my supply. All right, zone here, my resistance. Sorry, my support down here. My resistance turns into support over here. So you know, it didn't come down weak into it all the way, but it did bounce, right? So it looks like it's gonna go back up. All right, so I'll keep my eyes out for GU coming up again. All right, I'm probably gonna get in there for another buy. All right, so we do have some imbalance right here. Okay. All right, like right here. Right there. All right, so if I do wick down into uh, those imbalance right here, I am gonna hop in. All right, because overall we are bullish. All right, so I am looking to go higher. All right, it still looks like we on GU we got another 200 pips to go. All right, yep, 190, 200. All right, so GU looks bullish, guys, coming up this week. All right, there's another pair that I'm looking at. I'm looking at EU. All right, EU. I did took another trade. All right. All right. So GU does look bullish. All right. Okay. Right here. We got. Looks like we could reach these highs right here. Double top right here. Okay. All right. Let's go down to the 4 hour. All right. Got some imbalance there. All right. Right. So we could reach higher on GU. All right. All right. We can hit that 121. All right. It looks like so from there we're probably about 140, 150 pips away. All right. So definitely we can hit higher on GU. All right, so as I was saying, and I took a trade here. Let's show you where I did that. All right, so right here, so this impulse movement right here. All right, I got a pullback and I hop in right here. All right, and I rode it all the way up. Okay, so what happened to GEU, guys? I took a loss on some of the pips that I got. All right, so because it went up to about 100 pips, probably 110 or so. All right, and then it starts to retrace here, give me a pullback right here, and so I lost about 50 pips. When I saw it's coming back down, I got out around right here, which is about 50 pips. All right, so again, you know, that does happen. All right, again, I am bullish on EU. All right, so I did take a loss on some of the pips. You know, could have been much better, but hey, 50 is better than nothing. All right, at least my prediction was right. All right, so like I said, guys, I am looking to get into EU coming up again. All right, I'm still bullish. All right, okay, so let's head on over to gold. All right, Rightly. So gold, I did took a trade as well. All right, gold is right now on the daily. All right, it is for the most part is bearish. All right, gold is down a bit, but it looks like it's starting to push up. All right, let's go down to the 4 hour. All right, so it's over my EMA right here. All right, so it's starting to push up. I'm just doing a top-down analysis just to show you guys, get to where I took my trade. All right, so see all this movement here. All right, I could have gotten in there. Oops, let's get rid of that. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, so I'll show you how I got into I'll show you how I got into gold. All right, so it was on Thursday morning. All right, some news came out and I was waiting, guys, and this is how I got in. Okay, so all right, so I was on an hourly time frame and I saw that there was a this candle close. All right, so first there was this candle here on a little order block, and I saw this candle close, and I saw the second one moves higher, so in engulf right here, and I said, you know what, let's see what happens if I do get the next candle starts about 50% of this right here. I'll get in for a buy, and that's exactly what happened, guys. All right, so I got in there for a buy. All right, I got in there for a buy and I rode it up. All right, I rode it all the way up. Okay, right there, and I got out. So I got out the 17 mark. All right, around the 1700s. All right, and so I could have stayed in, or I should have, right? But gold is very volatile. You know, you got to be a master to be trading gold. You know, which I've only started trading gold this year, so you know I'm fairly new with the indices. All right, but hey, all in all, it was a good week. All right, there's another pair, guys, that I'm looking at coming up, which is CJ. All right, so if you look at CJ, guys, CJ is bullish all the way. Okay, bullish all the way. All right, I want to say, but CJ is took out these highs right here. Okay, it's going for these highs. Eventually I think it's gonna hit that double top. Right now we're probably about I want to say 450 pips away. All right, so UJ is looking really nice. Sorry, CJ is really looking really nice. All right, who knows, eventually we probably hit that 106 mark, but it's quite a way away. All right, so quite a ways away, so do just keep your eyes open, guys. All right, but yeah, it is definitely a pair that you should be looking at. All right, so that is my analysis for this week, March 14th. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'm on all social media platform: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Telegram. All right, I'm all over. All right, please like and share this video. All right, I'll be dropping more content on my channel for you guys, free of cost. All right, see you in the next video. Peace.